We متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
أربعة وخمسون
54.
54.
التسوق.
Shopping.
Shopping.
أريد أن أشتري هدية.
I want to buy a present.
I want to buy a present.
ولكن أن لا تكون غالية كثيرا.
But nothing too expensive.
But nothing too expensive.
ربما شنطة يد.
Maybe a handbag.
Maybe a handbag.
أي لون تحب؟
Which color would you like?
Which color would you like?
أسود، بني أو أبيض.
Black, brown, or white.
Black, brown, or white.
كبيرة أو صغيرة.
A large one or a small one.
A large one or a small one.
أتسمح لي أن أرى هذه؟
May I see this one, please?
May I see this one, please?
هل هذه من جلد طبيعي؟
Is it made of leather?
Is it made of leather?
أو هل هي من جلد صناعي؟
Or is it made of plastic?
Or is it made of plastic?
من جلد طبيعي طبعا.
Of leather, of course.
Of leather, of course.
هذه نوعية ممتازة.
This is very good quality.
This is very good quality.
والشنطة اليدوية سعرها فعلا مناسب جدا.
And the bag is really very reasonable.
And the bag is really very reasonable.
هذه تعجبني.
I like it.
I like it.
سأخذها.
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
هل يمكن أن أستبدلها إذا لزم؟
Can I exchange it if needed?
Can I exchange it if needed?
بالتأكيد.
Of course.
Of course.
نغلفها كهدية.
We'll gift wrap it.
We'll gift wrap it.
هناك الصندوق الدفع.
The cashier is over there.
The cashier is over there.